Good morning.
Na empomo ye de.
Me code no kosa.
Me tutors kakra.
And kakra ba apart from the BBI fine. Apart from the BBI fine. Me will be biki to be kawaman on it.
Okay.
Saturday no. Me warning call for about the Milan derby. And namasem nyina ye ba ko pe. Say for some time now, South Channel Baswa make Inter Milan any AC Milan match no. Say Baswa. A lot of pundits analysis. O share nyoma ye gina so na ye de analysis a. A team ne form ni players papa wo ni coaches wo baby a oda o league log no so any ade. Sa oke kasa ni omani nyina bomu a eya na impempi in the last 3-4 years eya na Inter Milan e was switching AC Milan enu ade no kra de ansa na ebebo game no na Inter actually AC Milan mu 10 points.
Yeah.
Ushe players are Inter wa na only to 2 players are AC Milan wa. You will clearly see the difference in terms of team consistency, familiarity, cohesion. Ya boy ya wacha ya te ya wase. Ya winning trophies. Ya mode more. Everything was clear. Say Inter as a favorite BM AC Milan. Then so in the last 6 fixtures I know my bono. Intentimi share AC. Enti I want people say uyo obi a o title sika to games be say a cheer. Be guided by sa trending as say e koso no. Nemo woni nda ho. Say AC Milan I had 7 games in a row unbeaten against Inter. And the interesting man me cry say in those 7 games, you know, they've played 3 back, they've played 4 back. On my sister Monsano, they've changed coaches along those 7 games, you know. Still intention. And when I mean who 2 lineups, you know, I'm okay. Maximiliano Allegri and I just say on also be cut 3 back. Send ye Interphone Ebona. Into your boss Alamarcus no bo Estupinian as the wing backs. So ocean in Fifi or Bo Musa or Bo Rabiu or Bo Modric. And we're getting 2 strikers in Pulisic and Rafael anymore. It was the same with Inter also. And Bob Bonnie and Esportivo anymore. And all Bonnie in Fifi. Look at the midfield more. Barella, Zielinski, Mkhitaryan. You will say these players have been more consistent or more form. Actually, AC Milan for midfielders no. So we Bisek money Akanji. These are players omo bomb watch. Omo pedigree. Actually in winter. But your ball game new year no. Na Estupinian go. Bakuno the 2 atenemu no. Inter ye den omo ntimi ante. Enti uko ura Milan go no sisi dia. Even though Inter na edge trophies no omo na Omobo Champions League final, they are the team to beat. And even this season, they will go on to win the league.
Yeah.
But within the city Milan the bragging right belongs to AC Milan.
And now, what side of view now fans? I don't know this Shevchenko soka. And this Shevchenko Beka said, and no game number who say Milan. Ebetima close Gabon, so metima close so a Nejina sa game no so. Because now didn't say Milan beat me as Inter.
And now they've closed the gap from 10 to 7.
Yeah.
And because under normal circumstances, that be bizarre. Within a particular period, no. The uncle former on no office no will dominate. Say the because one way are Gabi and maybe Beba. Yeah, you live this moment as your peak level in football. Say, I can't the history of Italian football. I can say, and maybe by now Inter, the most dominant club, Italy. People will pick their books and say, So why were they not able to beat AC Milan in the derby de Maradona?
Because for the past 3 years, ni muna mujina so
exactly
more Champions League,
yes,
more ball league, more
so players, more BBR, but they are not able to beat their arch rivals. Quite special. They are also Milan and AC Milan making sure say they will make sure say trend to me a follow. And in a gap number 7. Yeah, where how as I do we ABC Akoso Italian Serie A. Now Friday na Real Madrid enya a very interesting win against Jota. A game they had to score so late, and it was a deflected goal. But they don't care how it went in until and almost a Jota Vigo. Now my pressure can that Barcelona so because they had then closed the gap to 1. Barcelona were traveling away to San Meme, the cathedral of Spanish football. And senior na who let's go Bilbao team say apart from Barcelona still had to find a win out of that game. And Bilbao apart from ahead of that game, the biggest issue of move face who and he said Nico Echo Pra. Nico Timimbo game and he said Nico ni Bilbao team no. Obian said Omu said that need a firepower said Nico game him. Say Nico Woma, they go through him for everything attacking. Ni pace, ni dribbles, ni power hour. Any the way or no, and so ne more inspire other players to come into the game. So only one you could clearly see. Say there is something missing from our Let's Go Bilbao team now. But yeah, the game when shares game yes, Barcelona 4 dominated and also dominated. Barcelona 4 had one eye. Our Champions League when Newcastle Tuesday. It is always even Barcelona line up in the bar. They had to bench players like Rafinha Mo, bench players like Pedrimo, Senebeya, Marc Casado, and then Marc Bernard, best tattoo and Fifio, now Omar Bodan and Omo benching Femi Lopez because they will need Femi Lopez the energy in the game against Tima. If any Newcastle, Barcelona were careful, and anytime Bias was Team Biabe Nagwe say, or maybe 2 games in 1 game. Biana, watch it.
Game no bon
and also Newcastle in the same game until all
guys are all manage.
Yes. Anytime be a big teams be a tricky fixture. No one concentrating on playing that particular game. No one saw the side game about 2 games. And a weird day. I must ask you, a bit a 2 Barcelona.
Okay.
So they needed the magic legs of 2 of our more prominent youngsters. Pedri with assist, Lami Yama with that superb Kelada, Otimi Eden BT United Simons, Emma Barcelona, Enya Sound 3 points. Sometimes that is all that you need to win such a game. One moment, one game changer. Lami Yama, he closes the case for you as your lawyer. Now what's me at the court. And it's already after Barcelona winning that game. Now we say be a 4 points gap against Real Madrid. No, Oma back to a Pratt in Palma Barcelona chrono. Right from the team hotel, Bilbao, they move to England. I say Omo England and Omo Koye. They are trying to manage. Meaning say they are against Newcastle. Players be said Robert Lewandowski. Players be said Pedri. Players be said Femi Lopez. Players be said Rafinha. Will all come back into the Barcelona first 11 because at least they gave them a certain rest against Tima. They found them about, and it's very, very important. Now, Saturday, Chelsea, MIA deal me bet because they couldn't win in regulation time. Extra time now they finish off the game.
Say no so quiet Barca
yes.
Both 2 games.
But there is one thing I want to say about Chelsea. Minim so I observe bia. Unum say since Aliam buy no. Ni games a wabɔ nyina he has only lost one manager.
As Mikel Arteta
3 times.
Yeah.
And you know manager for be anywhere washano. Look, Chelsea may not be your most consistent team. Me shemu game no. I was a drew maybe about me team say senior CCA Michael Carrick adwuma wo Manchester United. And so no enkwofo so the need confidence your boss season we are man you the adwuma no be shanen
Yeah.
and probably people say that simply because they think that Manchester United is a big club, a big manager.
Yeah.
But nobody is doing that same analysis with Liam. Minti so be ka say
as a one to me,
as a chairman ka we season, you know. Nanke say nobody is saying that.
Yeah.
Is it because so far what he has done, or Chelsea you want to be for a long term? And Gabi, interesting say with the sort of players obey inherited, they are now Enzo Maresca di Omaye, baby I don't focus on the pass echo. He still seems to be on track.
Yeah.
And that is very, very positive for me. Minim say, Enkofo no mu pe Enzo Maresca sempa. Enunti omu holding back omu full support for Liam. We'll be waiting for on the Paris Saint-Germain game now.
Yeah, for that game, yes, of course.
And a very simple for them to bring it back and say, oh, now say Enzo Maresca, this PSG to be a show fala. Also, oh, by wood to be show. And until I catch you say, Pamo Enzo was a mistake. They are waiting. Eti, my penasem, Liam, my penasem for the way he is young, the way all carrying himself along the Chelsea job. No? Me bomb payam and say, Omo etite kwanchai with Enzo Maresca image, you know, will not come at him after the Paris Saint-Germain game. No?
And I said, now or change or make it changes, you know. What do you mean or make it changes effect and what you know as
of course.
Aha, yeah, drifted to the bed.
Very, very good with that. Already game yeah. And there are a lot of look. What has happened to the lap? To be honest with you, now me were high hopes, man. Yes. Me, I thought so much me about Chelsea nipa. DT and now me were high hopes and say, me pedewea ne presence city. Me, I like strikers
that
like that.
Bulky striking.
Yes, and he doesn't stop fighting.
Yeah.
Onya bona or the bow so or so pressing. I love those kind of aggressive.
As a Luis Suarez more time.
I think I fell in love with those strikers from Samuel Eto'o time.
Okay.
Eto'o will not stop fighting. Or be pressing. Like on Jaiba.
Piano no I can say bulino. Bulino.
Oh yeah, he will still want to do it hard to say me. Okay. From the Eto'o perspective, I am a striker very agitated. I say a chaotic striker. But you see, in a modern game, Gabi, no matter how Oba was a striker, so untimi she goes now. Na untimi accumulating numbers now. It will always come back. Say a bit to me. I think say Uyi Sadanten. No, Sunderland.
I'm on the
Portville for upset you. Yeah. I think said the
FA Cup. So Fulham.
Yeah, it's okay. And you can say near. Uyi and Uyi sa upset the free. I think say the rest of the FA Cup, you know, may upset this week.
Yeah.
And it's good. Man City were able to qualify. Arsenal, a very, very cool job. Chelsea, a cool job. Any identity. All the big clubs in our FA Cup, you know, were able to book or we take it, you know, to the next one, which is very, very good.
Now,
Yamrefi. And my main case as we as this just 1 minute. Barcelona is a political club.
And no nan can be see doing come by me. I say here extensive idea pa.
Yeah, unim de tia. Barcelona political season.
Okay.
There's an upcoming election. And the air also with Xavi timing of the interview. About right before the presidential debates. Nhyira is politically orchestrated.
Okay.
You see, nobody should hold brief phobia, but any question say obi bit etimka because of supporting a candidate and our candidate be asem.
Okay.
In the political environment, you will have your choice. Say ube do candidate or pechi.
Okay.
Eti me, I love Xavi as a legend of Barcelona. Ne personality. Xavi no Barca. Xavi, you see a lot of successes with Barcelona. He could have easily be our next Pep Guardiola or next Johan Cruyff in that lane. But I don't fault him for choosing to go with Victor Font. That is who he thinks a candidate. And someone Obeka thinking say time on be a coach, you know, or did he say a course with one Laporta? It's okay. Echivaro is Ayes Alaja can be to back for them.
And the pepper, yeah.
He is his operational man. Masa, obone ni kwa chero the opposite. And every president need that. As your chief of staff, a president be here, the protocol officer.
Okay.
Yeah, agree we are. Then that's the action. The course, you know, we are within the political tension around Barcelona. Yeah, to abani we are.
Okay.
Bibia kwa koda di. But maybe we'll vote. I will vote for one Laporta again and again and again because I just feel crown. Xavi Ankasa in his interview the other say, "Yeah, Pamono no. The Edinabano has improved the Barcelona team."
Ati your friends you na yamna fie na Ghana Premier League with 25 you know. Yemedi ho enkomo. Na sisi the concern is say